This again, describing what's required for the uh, background information astrobiology portion of the project. So, what is astrobiology? Well, worked on before we left. Many of you have submitted that, so that you only have to answer the questions here that are. That's the wrong link. You only have to answer the questions here that are about the NASA video, because maybe you can put these in if you did them, but these you can't watch, and this we didn't do. So don't worry about those. Just answer questions 7 and 8, and then go ahead and hit submit. For the project resume web quest, this is new today. What you've got here is read this part here about what kind of careers NASA believes are involved in astrobiology. So you can go here and read what NASA thinks about astrobiology. Write a couple sentences about what that says. Take a couple career quizzes. So there's 2 links here for career quizzes. You can take those career quizzes and see what they think you might want to be later on. So put the answers to those in here. So the science career quiz, there's 10 questions. Put the choice here, and then the general career quiz, there's a lot more questions, and then put the top 3 links here. Then what are some of those careers? So the science careers explained here. This is from Science Buddies. Some of you have used it for science fair stuff in the past. These will explain some of these careers in different fields of science. So you can just pick one. Doesn't really matter for this project which one you pick. Just pick one of them. And that's kind of be your focus for this part of the project and a bit of the next part. So just put what career you'd want to pretend and why you'd want to be that. The 4th chunk of this is where would you go to school in Ohio? I've only listed public schools in Ohio, both colleges and community colleges. So there's a link here for you can see where some of these are, and then here's a list here to see how expensive they are. These are the top 13 or so higher education institutions in Ohio by number of students who go there, and then say where you would go and what you would study there, and then you have to make a resume. These 2 links will help you to see what's supposed to be in a resume for a recent college graduate, which is what you're pretending to be. You gather up all this information, and then what you'll do is there is a template in the final product here, and in this you can change all of these things, and then make sure you use your real name so I know who it is, and then put in your wherever you want to live, all these kind of things. What are you good at? Where did you go to school? Tell me what your degree was. What did you do while you were at school? Tell me some awesome things you did, and maybe some internships or places you worked along the way. So that's it. Once you're done, go ahead and submit the resume. Biology students, this is due by April 1st. Advanced biology students, you also have to do an additional cover letter. Bio students, if you want to do that cover letter as well, that would be improve your score on your resume, but that will be due by April 3rd. If you have any questions, let me know. Once you finish both of these up, make sure you post them to your blog, and make sure that link works. All right, that's it. I hope it made some sense. If you have any questions, send me an email.